All right. Hey, everyone. Welcome to today's live stream. It is Monday, January 29th. Hope you're doing great. And let's talk about the markets. Looks like everything is continuing to move higher. We've got the S&P 500 up today slightly. The Dow up very slightly. NASDAQ up. Crude oil down. If you notice, that's been reflective in the price at the pumps. Silver, look at silver, over $22 an ounce. It's at $23.27. Tiny bit of a breakout there, up 1.72%. Probably one of the bigger movers today. 10-year bond down slightly. 4.10 is the yield. We'd like to see that below 4% for a robust equity market. And we've got Bitcoin up today at the 43,000 level. So, not any earth-shattering news in this market. So when you see a market like this, you got to make your own opportunities. You know what I'm saying? You know how that is in life where you reach out and make your own opportunities. And so how do you do that? Well, you look at what is going on for the week, what can be expected, and any thought given to anticipating market moves is super helpful. So what do we have going on this week? Well, we've got the Federal Reserve FOMC meeting tomorrow and Wednesday. After the meeting tomorrow, they will make the announcement of what they're going to do with interest rates. My guess is they leave them alone. They do not cut interest rates this early in the year. I think they're wanting to see more economic indicators. Maybe in March we'll get a rate cut. If we do on Wednesday, that's going to be a huge uptick for the market because there's a lot of talk around either rates being cut or not being cut for this year. So if they cut rates on Wednesday, I think that's going to be a huge leg up for the equity market. So keep that on your radar Wednesday afternoon after close of the market. Hey, wanted to bring to your attention this section of our software. It's called our stock forum. You can find it. It's located here. If you can see me mouse over there, our main menu. Click on that. It's the third or fourth right here. It's stock forum. And this is where you can interact with me and our investors, members of our community over at any time, really. That I'm in here. I do my best to be in here at least once a week to answer questions. So if you have questions, please feel free to ask them here in the discussion, or if you just want to give us feedback or anything like that, we would love to hear from you. So here's our main stock forum. Use it. It's there for you. Definitely very important. But if you notice the tabs next to it, like most watched, these are stocks that are within our system that are most watched by our subscribers here. So it's kind of fun to scroll through there. I like the community best feature, and my favorite is stock posts. Chris Johnson, he's awesome. He's in here giving alerts and doing some great research and sharing his ideas with our community. Thanks again, Chris. You're awesome. You rock. We appreciate you. So take a look at this area here, and you can reply to posts, whatever you'd like, or, share some of your ideas. We'd love to see what you're interested in as well. All right, and I'm short and sweet today. My stock pick of the week, the screaming buy, is Primo Water Corporation. Ticker symbol PRMW. Primo, 5-star stock, above average risk, but it broke out recently above the SMA 50. We've got the green above red and the MFI in the sweet spot of 45. That's actually below the median for this stock. So really good. You didn't even, let me see. Let me fix my screen here so you can see. more clearly. Yes, right there. So as I was saying, we've got the price, stock price above all of the indicators. We've got green above red. The stock recently broke out above the SMA 50. We've got the 200 moving day average sitting there at the bottom, which is where you want to see that average. That is giving long-term support to the stock price. So excellent there. And then we've got the MFI sitting here at 45.24 today, which is below the year's median average for the MFI. So really everything, all systems are go for this kind of stock. So if you're able to handle average risk, and if you're not sure, how to determine your risk level, all you do is go over to our main menu, go to Portfolio Assistant, and right there is the risk assessment questionnaire. You can scroll through. It's only 13 questions, so please go through them. It's a fantastic indicator of risk level. And then once you're there, you'll know your risk score. So we've already filled this out. This is above average. So that means when you go back to the pick stock feature, you can look at, so above average is here. You can look at the above average stocks, and everything below it will fit into your risk level. Now, as you're building the base, please rely on our Portfolio Assistant. It's our done for you part of the software that is here to help you navigate. You can start with adding cash. So let's say, you've got whatever amount you want to add to your cash holding, insert that amount, and then it will help you build the portfolio. Always start at the base, then we go toward growth and accelerate. So I think you'll really enjoy this feature. Check it out. It's here for you. All right, that's all I've got for you today. Have a fantastic week, and I'll see you next week.